ZANU-PF spokesperson Christopher Mchangwa he said that growing discussions about extending President Emmerson Mnangagwa's term in office are a reflection of the public's confidence in his leadership rather than a political ploy. Sarabina mashoko buda pangwa ina tukuona kuti ZANU-PF spokesperson declares calls for term extension show Mnangagwa's popularity. Notable subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tipina panapa mzimu aimo buda mchenzi. Speaking in an interview with SABC News on Tuesday, Mchangwa dismissed reports of internal divisions within the ruling party and claims of a brewing succession battle. He said Zimbabweans overwhelmingly support President Mnangagwa and trust his leadership to continue guiding the nation. The people is spoken, Mchangwa said. Zimbabweans are behind President Mnangagwa. Leadership transitions are determined by the will of the people through elections, not the rumors or factional speculation. Addressing speculation that Vice President Kosano Chiwenga might be the next in line for leadership, Mchangwa stressed that the country's constitution does not provide for automatic succession. It is not to assume the vice president is correct in line. He said, there is no constitutional provision for automatic succession. Anyone who wants to lead must contest in an election, just like any other citizen. Using a pointed analogy, the ZANU-PF spokesperson compared Zimbabwe's political system to that of the Vatican. This is not Rome, where cardinals sit in secret and decide who becomes pope. This is a democratic country. Our leaders are chosen by the people, Mchangwa said. He further argued that citizens' discussions around Mnangagwa's possible term extension should be interpreted as a sign of trust, not ambition. When people talk about the duration of the term, it is because they trust his leadership. The public has shown its confidence in him, he said. Ndo mashuka anotaurwa aiwa naChristopher Mchangwa aiwa kuSABC South Africa aiwa achiva achibroadcasta nawo kuti nawo term extension haisitombori chido chemutungamiri wenyika but vanhu vari kumupusha kuti extend beyond his mandated rule. Tudze mafunguro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Pena comment section medu mafunguro enyu. So unsubscribe or like, check on the bell icon.